Hey guys, how's it going today? If you're looking for an affordable window air conditioner for a small room, the Midea 5000 BTU window air conditioner has been a surprisingly good performer in my experience. The main thing is that it does exactly what it's supposed to do. It cools my room very effectively. Installation was easier than I expected. Using the included manual, I was able to put everything together and install it myself in just a few minutes. The setup process was straightforward, even for someone without much experience installing air conditioners. At first, it took me a little time to understand all of the controls, but once I got familiar with them, everything made sense. The unit offers both high and low fan settings, along with high and low cooling modes. There's also a separate temperature control dial that lets you choose a cooling level from 1 to 7, giving you flexibility depending on how cool you want the room to be. To test its performance, I closed all the doors and windows in my room and set the air conditioner to high cool with the cooling level set to 7, which is the maximum setting. My room temperature dropped from around 81 degrees Fahrenheit to 73 degrees in approximately 45 minutes. On another occasion, starting at about 84 degrees, the room eventually cooled down to around 66 degrees after roughly 2 hours of continuous operation. Also, my room is almost perfectly square. The walls are approximately 12 feet long and 8 feet high. That's important because room size plays a major role in how well an air conditioner performs. This particular unit is rated for spaces up to 150 square feet. My room measures about 12 by 12 feet, which equals 144 square feet, putting it right within the recommended cooling range. I also pay attention to outdoor temperatures when deciding how to use the unit. If it's hotter outside, I keep the windows closed. If it's cooler outside, especially during the evening, I may open a second window. In some situations, simply running the fan can help circulate cooler outdoor air into the room without needing the full cooling system. I usually check outdoor temperatures on my phone and compare them with a small thermometer I keep on my desk. The only real downside I've noticed is the noise level. To be clear, it doesn't make any strange sounds, whining noises, or mechanical rattles. Nothing seems broken or poorly built. The fan itself is simply louder than I expected, even on the lower setting. Personally, I wish there were one additional fan speed below the current low setting to reduce noise a little more during quiet times. That said, the cooling performance easily makes up for it. One thing I like to do is run the unit on high cool with the cooling level set to 7 while I'm out of the room. When I come back, the room is noticeably cooler and more comfortable. Then I can lower the settings and maintain the temperature. Sometimes it actually gets so cool that I end up putting on a hoodie. One thing worth mentioning is that I also run a gaming PC in the room. As many gamers know, a powerful computer can generate a surprising amount of heat. All of the temperatures I've mentioned were recorded while the gaming PC was running. Without that extra heat source, I believe this air conditioner could cool a room of similar size even more efficiently. Overall, the Midea 5000 BTU window air conditioner has performed very well. It's easy to install, cools effectively, offers simple controls, and handles a small room with no problem. While the fan can be a little louder than I'd like, that's really my only complaint. Other than that, it's a reliable and effective air conditioner that does exactly what it's designed to do. If you guys have any more questions on it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.